Harshin agus fáilteamh irais go áireann na seachtaine cábharimsa Joy Dunlop. Hello and welcome back to another Song of the Week with me, Joy Dunlop. Now last time we learned the first part of the pàirt bheil Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn, and this week we're going to continue on with the chorus. First though, let's remind ourselves of the first verse. Maybe I'll sing it through for you once so you can hear it. It goes like this. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is cóig raibh dara Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn sí seachad. Nice and simple. Let's do that all together now, and we'll do it through twice, as that's how we normally sing it. After three, maha. Three. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is cóig raibh dara Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn sí seachad. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is cóig raibh dara Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn sí seachad. Gleva. Nisha. Best thing about the chorus is that the words are even simpler. So we've had Ewan in his boat sailing past the white point, and in the chorus he is definitely the skipper of that boat as she sails past the white point. So it goes like this. Beowan, beowan. Fusion. Beowan, beowan. One more time. Beowan, beowan. So that's line one. The second line goes Beowan na skipperor. So just try that again. Beowan na skipperor. And one more time. Beowan na skipperor. So if we put those two bits together, we have Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. So three beowans and then na skipperor at the end. So let's try that again. Ready? Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. Gleva. Third line is the same as the first. So we already know it. So let's try doing lines 1, 2, 3 all together. Ready? Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. Beowan, beowan. And this time the fourth line is exactly what we did in the first part. Sí seachad ruavan. See how easy that seems now too. Try that again. Sí seachad ruavan. So let's put lines 3 and 4 together so we can see how they run. So it goes like this. Beowan, beowan, sí seachad ruavan. Fusion, give it a go. Beowan, beowan, sí seachad ruavan. Magadidem. So let's try playing with the words though. Now in the chorus, just saying lines 1 all the way through to line 4. Here we go. 3. Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. Beowan, beowan, sí seachad ruavan. And then we would repeat that. Now there isn't lots of time to breathe in this one, so you might find you have to chop out the first B just so you can get your breath. But we'll say it all together right now. Ready? Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. Beowan, beowan, sí seachad ruavan. So after we've finished the first part, we have sí seachad ruavan. We're going to go up to start the chorus. So the first line goes like this. Beowan, beowan. So try that. Beowan, beowan. One more time. Beowan, beowan. The second line goes Beowan na skipperor. So try that. Beowan na skipperor. One more time. Beowan na skipperor. Gleva. So let's do those two lines together. Hey, yeah. 3. Make sure you breathe. Beowan, beowan, beowan na skipperor. Lovely, one more time. Bioan, 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 na skipperod. Third line is the same as the first. Bioan, bioan. And actually, we know the fourth line as well. The bit that we learned earlier. So let's try lines 3 and 4 together then. So they go like this. Bioan, bioan, try that again. Bioan, bioan, it's as simple as that. So let's do the whole chorus together. Bio, starting from there. Hey, yeah, 3, here. Bioan, 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 na skipperod. Bioan, bioan, and we repeat that. Bioan, 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 na skipperod. Bioan, bioan, so let's see if we can do the whole song therefore. We've got our first bit, O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn, and then go into Bioan, bioan, and then we'll repeat everything from the start to finish. So after 3, get ready for your O's. In, yeah, 3. O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is Curaigh Eòghainn, Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn, O Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn is Curaigh Eòghainn, Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn, bioan, 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 na skipperod. Bioan, 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 na skipperod. Bioan, bioan, and then you probably sing it all the way through again, and that is the first verse in the chorus of Seallaibh Curaigh Eòghainn. Cheerio, airson.